a Uzi Vert. Maybach. I'm in the gut and my whip all black. Yes, I blend right in, cause my paint all matte. And the shorty on my top, man, she need the backpack. I remember she ain't want me way back. Stay with 100 racks stuff. Probably why I walk like that, why I talk like that. I'm
China, I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy dog, pow. I'ma do splits on it, yeah, splits on it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw fits on it. I'ma bust it open, I'ma go stupid and leave fits on it. I don't date, honey.
You wish that was you, huh?
Dude, Jay Porter, are you getting a COVID test right now?
Why does mine sound like a chihuahua?
I'm coming. Fuck, behind me. I'm getting fucked right now. Guy on top. I'm rotating, I'm on bottom.
Why is it spicy?
If you're not Australian, please stitch this and try to do an Australian accent.
Hello, governor.
She said she wanted a stable relationship. I said, bitch, I know all about stables.
You're holding yourself. You gotta go pee?
No, I'm holding my balls.
I fuck that bitch, you better not forget. Diamonds on me, came from Elliot.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Totally insane.
They pushed me out and paced me.
Bitch, it's a Uzi Vert. Maybach. I'm in the gut and my whip all black. Yes, I blend right in, cause my paint all matte. And the shorty on my top, man, she need the backpack. I remember she ain't want me way back. Stay with 100 racks stuff. Probably why I walk like that, why I talk like that. I'm off a Birkin, I'm up.
I'm on my big bullshit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, hit the plug. Ride around with folk. Call me
What? I'm handsome.
Huh?
I'm handsome.
What?
Am I handsome?
Are you happy?
Am I handsome?
Are you helping me?
Am I handsome?
You like that food, don't you? I put my Buddha hole in it.
If I give you one message to hold in your hearts today.
Boy, what you scared of? The gays? Boo! Did I get you?
Ew, Janice. You farted right in my butthole. Like a fart trap plane.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's kind of cute.
Get that head, then leave. Peace out.
Hey, Club Godzilla, I ain't tricking, I'm just dicking bitches down, head down, pop that pussy to the.
Why don't they play poker in the jungle? Too many cheetahs.
You ain't never gotta heat me up. I'm present when I'm absent, speaking when I'm not there. Call them bitches scary cats, I call them Carol Baskins. Body yaddy 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 yaddy.
Stop it before I catch feelings for you, please. Squared waist, pretty face with a big bank. Who the fuck robbed the bank?
I'm buying him these fucking socks. I'm trying to get fucked on the ceiling.
Hey Dad, you have two options. A, be quarantined with Mom, or B.
What's a video that lives in your head rent-free?
If
If I use seatbelt, why they still crash? If I use Band-Aid for gunshot wound, why am I still bleeding? If I take flu vaccine, why I still have gonorrhea?
And if I'm wearing this one, you bet your ass you're ready to get your shit rocked, buddy.
Yes, yes. And if I am wearing this one, Bismillah. Get ready to meet Allah.
Pull up.
Frank.
Headshot.
Frank.
Sit down.
Frank.
Stand up.
Frank.
Pass out.
Frank.
Wake up.
Frank.
Fade it.
Frank.
Fade it.
Back on my drip, drip my drip, my drip, right back on my drip. Pull up in a brand new whip, with a new exhaust and shit. Ride with a brand new kit. I got sauce on my wrist, don't touch.
And if I'm wearing this one, you bet your ass you're ready to get your shit rocked, buddy.
Yeah, and if I'm wearing this one, banana.
Tell me you're dating a musician without actually telling me you're dating a musician.
How do you be knowing when your girlfriend is upset? Bro, these become her little two best friends. She put it right in just in case I start talking, breathing. It'd be like, babe, that thing thangin' today. Ugh. Then her AirPods die like.
Guys, I found my mom's dildo. Okay? Why does it look like this? Someone explain to me.
I cooked dinner with that.
You cooked dinner with your
Yes,
It does taste pretty good.
It's not a
Mom,
dildo,
don't lie to
son.
me.
Hey mate, got a job for you. Cheer mate.
Ready?
Can you give us a hand? Cheers mate.
I got a small waist, pretty face with a big bang. Look how you hating on a bitch and you my mama age.
This boy going live, and he got an F in my class. Live in my class, got an F. And you got the nerve to go live.
Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. First you have your hand out like this, and you close your eyes, tilt your head back.
Bitch, you better get that motherfucking shit up out my motherfucking floor. Bitch, you done lost your motherfucking mind. You one crazy.
Alright, look, your turn.
My turn. What the fuck you want me to do with this?
Alright, hold it slow, close your eyes. Try to do it.
Oh, you motherfucker, you that bitch, get the fuck out my motherfucking house.
Yo, where the fuck is this class at, bro? Yo, you know where class C2 is?
Find it yourself, bitch.
Well, fuck you. Bitch ass nigga. Oh shit, here we go. Dice roll. How y'all doing? Is this English class? The fuck? What the fuck are y'all looking at? Oh my god, I'm bleeding.
Okay, class, does everyone understand? Oh, welcome, Antonio. Why are you late?
My apologies, my internet was having issues.
Oh, it's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This dumb bitch always falls for it.
Antonio, I just want you to know your mic was on.
Oh.
You have to sum
I
it up.
can't breathe. I can't fucking breathe. Holy shit.
Alexa, that's a jumping song, honey. I want a beautiful dancing song, honey. You know the nice ones, honey. They're kind of suave, like you know, honey. You play a lot of beautiful. Not that kind, no. And Alexa, that's not the kind I want. That's her jumping song.
I'm not sure.
I want a sophisticated.
Grandma, I got something to show you. Look, hold on. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. What the fuck you gotta show me? If you don't get your motherfucking ass out there and put some fucking clothes on you, bitch, I take this motherfucking thing you throwing it to motherfucker. Your naked ass. I don't want to see your ass. I don't want to see your dick. Then that short ass pencil you got.
Oh, look at all them hyenas back there. If I bet was a person, nobody. The Weeknd. Here's my first attempt at synonym Rose, just like grammar used to be. I'm sorry. Fast and the Furious 9 cast. Is Cardi B gonna do the car noises? You imagine the car going down the street saying, ow.
Thanks, Tim. I'm here with Charles Brockington. Can you tell me what you saw happen today? Yo, I'm not gonna lie, you out here disrespecting me on national television? Like, you say my whole government, like my baby moms and my 14 kids not watching me right now. What's wrong with you? But look, for everybody watching at home, my name is C. Bands. What you talking about? And I'm not saying nothing I just saw because I'm not a snitch. Like, I don't even play like that. All right, well, sorry, C-Bands. Is there any information that you can give us today? Just anything. Listen, all I'm gonna say is all them people, they running into the Capitol. I don't know what else to say. Ain't this the nation's capital, right? Ain't this DC? Well, it must stand for don't care because the cops just letting them run through like it's nothing. But if I'm in New York City and I hop the train, I'm a criminal. I'm a criminal. What's going on? All right, yeah, let's wrap this up, please. Like, it don't make no sense. I'm out of here. I'm tight now. I'm tight.
All right, boys, here we go.
Hello. How's it going?
Not too bad, man. Can I get a Cool Mint Puff Bar?
For sure.
Here it comes.
That'll be all for you?
Yeah.
One second.
How much?
Got you for $19.25.
All right, dude.
All right. Card or cash? Sir, what? Is this a Pokemon card?
No.
Is it? Sir, what the hell is this? Where do you purchase this at?